Pain on the outside of your elbow while lifting a cup or shaking hands? This might be tennis elbow. And no, you don't need to play tennis to get it. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sana Fayaz and I'm a physiotherapist, and today I will be showing you what tennis elbow actually is. Tennis elbow is medically called as lateral epicondylitis, and it's a condition where the tendon of your forehand gets inflamed. So your forearm muscles, and there's a tendon here which gets attached at your elbow bone, gets irritated. So because of the repetitive strain or stress or a repetitive movement on that area, it usually causes some pain on the outside side of the elbow. Who gets it? So many people think only athletes who are playing tennis all the time gets it, but most common patients I see are office workers, because nowadays post COVID everybody has started work from home. So it's most commonly seen in office workers because they are continuously on their mouse, then gym trainees because they are lifting heavy weights for a repeated number of times, and then also housewives who are doing like a household work, like squeezing their clothes or making chapatis at home, or repetitively doing the karchi work, like putting their spoon from here and there while cooking. So all these are the common ways in which it happens, but not necessarily that you play tennis and you get tennis elbow. Okay, now how would you check this? So a very self check where you can quickly analyze, okay, this is something which is coming near to tennis elbow. So you are going to take your hand straight like this, and you will put some resistance on the upper side of your wrist, and you will give some resistance on your hand and try to lift this hand straight up. When you start resisting this, while this is coming up, you will feel some pain on the outer side of your elbow. When you start feeling some pain here, yes, it could be suggestive of having tennis elbow. But remember, disclaimer, it's not a diagnosis. This is just a self check, but you always have to go meet a doctor or a physiotherapist and get yourself checked properly. Now, as a physiotherapist, what are the recommended exercises or suggestions I would give to you guys is to do a normal wrist stretches. So for example, just stretching your wrist down and then stretching it up. When you stretch it down, hold it for 20 seconds and do it for 3 repetitions, and you can do it 2 times per day. Then you can also do some eccentric wrist strengthening exercises. When I say this, it means that you just generally hold some half a liter of water bottle or a dumbbell half kg for a start. Take that and just simply start with wrist movement where you are supporting your elbow, so that the again the muscle doesn't get overused or fatigued. Even if you do some form of wrong exercise, it will not harm if you are supporting the elbow. So always support the elbow or keep your elbow on a supported platform, and then start doing the exercise wherein you can just do your hand up and down with a half liter of water filled with in the bottle, or use a dumbbell, and then you can do wrist in and out, and you can do wrist rotations clockwise and anti-clockwise. For a start, you can start with that. And also you can, third exercise which you can do is you can hold a soft ball in your hand and start doing the squeezing activity for 10 to 15 repetitions for 2 times per day. So these are like very basic and few exercises, and these are the basic ones which can help in not a quick recovery but a road towards recovery. Okay, so important tips which I can give you all is avoid painful repetitive movements, and always your ergonomics for office workers. So modify your ergonomics and modify your positions, where you are sitting on the desk and the chair. Hand needs to be supported. You need to be in a supported position, not that your hand is down and your table is up where you are using your computer. So that needs to be taken into consideration. Then usually whatever repetitive activities you guys are doing it, you should stop doing that and you should modify the movement. For example, you are standing and doing the making chapatis in usual women's, so you can sit and then roll the chapatis. That's one you can do. If you are experiencing a lot of severe elbow pain, please do not ignore it, but ASAP just go and meet an ortho or a physiotherapist for a proper diagnosis. And for a long term exercise goal, you need to meet a professional to train you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Also do comment in my comment section and let me know which other video I can upload for you guys. I'm generally a bit slow in uploading my videos because I get a little too busy in my general day-to-day work, and it becomes difficult for me to make a video first of all, and then to edit that, and to make a video. So, but I will try my best to share my knowledge with you guys, and also please do give some suggestions on to which topics I should make videos on, which will save half of my time. So thank you everyone. See you in my next video.